From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Tuesday, January 27th. Well, Millersville University did, in fact, get its largest snowstorm in about 5 years on Sunday. The official snow and sleet measurement here at Millersville was 8 inches. We had 6.2 inches of snow, followed by 1.8 inches of sleet. Most of the lower Susquehanna Valley picked up 7 to 11 inches of storm total accumulation from the system. In the wake of that system, northwesterly winds ushered an Arctic air mass into the region on Monday, and that Arctic air is going to remain entrenched throughout the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. In fact, the tropospheric polar vortex is going to camp out over southeastern Canada and New England through the upcoming weekend, so temperatures are going to continue to be 20 to even 25 degrees below average. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at our daily climatology. I'm expecting a high of 20 degrees this afternoon at Millersville, and that is actually the same as today's average low of 20 degrees. This morning's low of 10 degrees was 10 degrees below that average low. Today's normal high is 40 degrees with a record high of 73 set in 1916. The record low of -7 was set in 1987. Taking a look at the Skycam from Millersville University, well, you'll notice the campus is covered in that dense, fresh snowpack, and it's also very cloudy out there, so it's really just a cloudy, frigid, cold, and honestly just a downright miserable afternoon. As we take a look at the visible satellite imagery, it's kind of really hard to distinguish between the fresh snowpack and clouds on this image at this point. However, trust me, skies are mostly cloudy, as you can see by the Skycam, and they are going to remain that way through the rest of the afternoon. So as we take a look at the Euro model for 7 p.m. this evening, well, you'll notice that persistent northwesterly flow out of Canada. That's going to persist not only today, but also tomorrow, and then also into Thursday as well, and also on Friday and Saturday. What you'll notice here is by Wednesday evening, there's that piece of the tropospheric polar vortex that's essentially just camped out right here over southeastern Canada. That's going to just meander around southeastern Canada and New England through the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. So with that being said, under mostly cloudy skies, high temperatures will be around 20 degrees below the average of this afternoon, with wind chills in the single digits due to a southwesterly breeze of 8 to 16 miles per hour. Tonight, temperatures will thud into the single digits above zero, but wind chills could be as low as -15 degrees early Wednesday morning. And as such, a cold weather advisory is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening through 10 a.m. Wednesday. And honestly, this will be a recurring theme through at least Saturday. So high temperatures will continue to be in the mid-teens to around 20 degrees through Thursday, with overnight lows near 0 degrees both Wednesday and Thursday nights. And temperatures could even drop several degrees below zero on one or more of those nights if winds die down completely. Wind speeds will still be in the 10 to 20 mile per hour range each of the next 3 afternoons, so wind chills will only peak in the single digits above zero each afternoon and bottom out between 10 to as much as 20 degrees below zero on Thursday and Friday mornings. So this is definitely dangerously cold, and as a result, it may cause uninsulated and unprotected pipes to freeze or burst. So in order to handle this cold and stay safe in it, definitely cover up exposed skin because it could develop frostbite within just 15 to 20 minutes. Dress in layers, wear gloves, and limit time outdoors. So taking a look at the short-term Campus Weather Service forecast, turning out mainly clear, brisk, and dangerously cold tonight with wind chills as low as -10 degrees late, low 4. Brisk and very cold on Wednesday with sunshine giving way to increasing clouds, high 18. Mostly sunny, brisk, and dangerously cold again on Thursday. Wind chills will be as low as -15 degrees early Thursday morning and only in the single digits Thursday afternoon, high on Thursday 18. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the short-term forecast. Tune back in next week for the latest edition. Until then, again, bundle up, dress in layers, stay warm, and limit time outdoors through the end of the week.